Ka sarkar jela ka singibalang ka pratarek risaw arajar pesan kala kentu ya katanat pulit ban khynra naphang ya ki jaka ki bajur bha ka jingkai tu yu drok. Ka jingkran bekilar patai kubor hadin balawai ka jingalang jong ka drug reduction, elimination and action mission balai shimentalang da ka Director General of Police ka jela ka kong ai nongrang menteri rang ba ka jela konrat ke sangma ule thu baki pulit nang ni syakaman kin sepelong ru ya ka jingtala si kali kha bat ban pendat ru ya ki CCTV camera khnang ban khanglat ya ki kamruna ru se
present from the police department, and therefore very strict instructions and directions have been given that areas where which are hotspots and areas where we have information that different kind of drugs or substances are being sold in an illegal manner, that police has been asked to crack down on these locations, and therefore the decision has been made, and very regularly, as I said, surprise visits and checks will be made by the police, and this will be done in a very strict and aggressive manner, and the police has been asked to leave no stone unturned to ensure that this activity starts. Maybe we cannot go to all locations in one go, but we will start with the main areas where we feel that there has to be a very strong action from the police. So apart from the fact that the police has been very successful in catching the supply side, but the retail part where the sales takes place and where our youth and others are affected because of the the sale by certain individuals, we want to even go down to that level, and we want to ensure that the police now acts very firmly, and CCTVs will be put up in these locations, manpower will be increased in these locations, surprise checks will be made by both in fact all police, excise department as well as the community will work together to ensure that necessary action is taken in all these places, so that we are very firm on ensuring that the action against drugs is a very firm one. I want to send a message to the people at large that the government is very serious on this, and you will see very aggressive action in the coming days. And as I said, whether it's from police department, health department, social welfare, or the community, we will be all working together to ensure that we are able to control as well as we're able to act against this entire menace of drugs. Always look at it from an alarming point of view. It will be incorrect for us to say that it is not, because even if there is one drug user, that itself is alarming for me. I would like to see that there is no scope of any drug users in our state. All the necessary support required for rehabilitation and detoxing must be given by us. All possibility of police stopping the supply must be done. So for us, we will not stop till even the last user is rehabilitated and we are completely drug-free. We have the details with us, but the only point is that we want them to target and start somewhere. Because if we say start everywhere, then I think the focus will be lost. So we would like to see that the police starts with certain areas. We've left it to them. They know better which are the hotspots. But we feel that the police has enough information and data, and also the localities have the data, which will help us to identify those areas, and we will act on those first, so that a very strong message is given to the state as a whole.